Hey, did you know you can go to colinmullen.com in order to get art and art prints? That's why I set up the website, colinmullen.com. Hey everybody, it's been a week. I broke the little thing for my camera, so I can't film regular art, so now we're filming digital art. That's fine with me. Hopefully it's fine with y'all. I'm stepping on to the Jimothy bandwagon. If you haven't heard of Jimothy, Jimothy is a presumably about like 3-year-old raccoon that's got short spine syndrome or something along those effects, that is wandering about Seattle, and it's just a weird little cryptid guy, and I love him. He's great. He's a little guy. So I decided I'd do some art based on him because, yeah, it's what you do, right? I don't know. I think that it's nice to see something that's like kind of out there, and this weird little guy, and everyone is just kind of like flocking to support the concept of him. It's great. I think a little bit of Jimothy in our lives with how, I don't know, stressful things are nowadays. It's really nice to have a Jimothy to focus on just for a moment. Just for a moment. Something that is just kind of nice that it exists. And so, you know what, Jimothy? I know that apparently there are some people who are saying that Jimothy should be put down. I do not agree. He seems to be doing just fine despite his abnormalities, and it doesn't seem to be negatively affecting him in a way that is significant enough that, like, that should happen. Like, if something happens to him, like, he gets hurt, like, that's nature, unfortunately, but, like, he seems to be doing good. Like, he was seen first as a baby, like, in 2023, so I think he's fine. Also, there are baby pictures of Jimothy, and they're amazing. He's just a little thing. It's a little, like, tuft of, like, hair. Like, barely a creature. It's amazing. I think that just people wanted to have a different take. You know, be able to be like, well, yeah, but Jimothy, how can I milkshake ducats? That way I can be the first person to be like, Jimothy's actually wrong, and you guys are evil for liking Jimothy. Jimothy is horribly abused or something. I don't know. People do that on social media. It's just like, shut up and let me enjoy Jimothy for a minute. He's a good little fella, and I hope that he's all right, and I hope that he continues to be all right. And, yeah, that's all I really got to say about Jimothy. Every now and then, something nice can happen. Anyway, now I need to thank the people on patreon.com/RevScarecrow who made this whole thing possible, who allow me to do art for a living rather than working a regular job. And, of course, we have to start with my mom and dad. I love you. Thank you to Wap Fu. Thank you, Tophoundor. Thank you, Split. Thank you, Sophia. Nope. Thank you, Reverend Joe. Thank you, Pig Wrestler. Thank you, Mortis. Thank you, Michael Carr. Thank you, Luna Ray. Thank you, Katie Valent. Thank you, Josepher. Thank you, Gabriel Bennett. Thank you, Freak Wannabe. Thank you, Egg. Thank you, Chiptune Glitch. Thank you, Amber. Thank you, Aguiwag. And thank you, Ants! Super cool of all of you. Thank you so much. If you want your name in the credits like them, $5 or more on that Patreon will get your name in there. Thank you for that. I will see you in the next one. Be safe out there. It's wild out. Anyway, be safe. I'll see you next time.